Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to withdraw money from ByBit to bank account. So the first step is to go to your assets and then you're going to have to sell your crypto. So simply click on funding and here you're going to see the list of your cryptocurrencies that you're owning. So simply click on the sell button. Now after you sell, you're gonna have some fiat balance. So basically you can withdraw that. So simply click on withdraw and then you're gonna have to click on fiat withdrawal. And after that, you're gonna have to simply enter the amount of money. So as you can see, you can also change the currencies and then simply choose bank transfer. So as you can see, for my account, I can't withdraw USD directly into my bank account, so I'm gonna have to use another currency. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.